We have these well-known businesses, Lendin Club hai, InstaMoney hai. So what was the need to create this larger parent company, which is Vertis? If you can clarify for us. And what does Vertis mean?
We started, the first company was Lending Club in 2015, which is a peer-to-peer lending platform, which is RBI regulated. Later on, we realized that we need to focus more on borrower, their experiences, their assessment.
Hmm.
So we started our InstaMoney business, which is a loan service provider, which only and only focuses on borrower onboarding experience and assessment and providing them the best solution. So that is how we kept adding businesses. Over the period of 10 years, we realized that every business is its own platform.
Hmm.
So we thought, why don't we convert ourselves and start looking at as a platform business? The moment you look at yourself as a platform, you only think about providing the best quality service to your customer who are coming on the platform. And hence, we rebranded the whole parent entity as a Vertis platform. Now, the concept is very interesting. So, Vertis is a Sanskrit word. So, Vertis means orbit. So the way planet moves in orbit and helps each other to move in their orbit, हमारे अलग-अलग businesses, Lending Club, InstaMoney and Vertis One अलग-अलग orbit में move करते हैं, but एक दूसरे से connected है and एक दूसरे को energy provide करते हैं.
All right. Now, as your orbit expands, the question is, how do you manage those journeys and distances? Because a lot of the fintechs at GFF 2025, they've
Right.
expanded their international footprint, whether it's Southeast Asia, whether it's Middle East. What about Worthis platforms? What's your outlook on expanding internationally? And more importantly, how are you going to manage the regulation side of things? Because regulations get complicated when you're operating across jurisdiction.
Both our platforms, Lending Club as well as InstaMoney, are ready for international expansion. India being the most strictest regulation in terms of P2P lending, we believe there are another 5 to 6 economies available in Southeast Asia and Middle East where we can take this platform, operate with liberalization because we are operating in the most strictest environment. At the same time, InstaMoney is catering to the smallest class of borrowers. And again, there is a high demand of this product as well. So we look forward to expand ourselves in international market in next 12 to 18 months time period. We have been spending a lot of time and now our systems are already in that. Only one piece was missing, the thought process as a platform, which is also now created. So we are hoping in 12 to 18 months, we'll be able to take Indian credit ecosystem beyond Indian boundaries.
Lots of expansion coming up in the next 12 to 18 months and lots of interesting themes coming about as well. That's the story of Lendin Club and its parent workplace platform here at GFF 2025. Bhavin, thank you so much for joining us.
My